think there's a big misunderstanding about what a brand is and what a retailer is. So, for instance, if I tell you, so to you, Mathieu, what is Zara? Is Zara a brand?
I would say it's a brand, right?
Describe me precisely a Zara product.
It's
okay.
A fashion brand, so you may buy several pieces of clothes every year. You can buy different seasons.
Okay, so to me, you are describing their business model. Okay. Zara is not a brand to me. It's a trademark. It's a famous trademark. Zara is a retailer. They have a beautiful offer. So their business model is to sell great product at a very fair price of the latest brand very quickly to the customers. And this is what they offer. So they are actually much more of a retailer, very, very well done retailer, supply chain machine, rather than a brand. Louis Vuitton, for instance, is not really a retailer. Louis Vuitton is a brand. So if I close my eyes and I think about Louis Vuitton, I will see their product. I will see the story of luxury traveling. I will see their last campaign that was talking about luxury traveling. And I will see the previous campaign that will talk about luxury traveling. And that's who they are. They are a story. They are not actually a retailer. They are not actually selling products. Zara is selling good product. Louis Vuitton is not selling product. They are selling a dream. So this is for retailers versus brand with very strong DNA. And in the case of Louis Vuitton, heritage.